Good morning, my love, kind, faith and grace teams. Welcome to our love and grace meet for Kirpal week of loving kindness. Sant Kirpal Singh Ji Maharaj taught us to be good, do good and be one, and to spread love everywhere. Today we will share love and kindness through a few simple questions. There is no winning or losing. Everyone is a kindness star. Are you ready to spread the love?
Yes.
Raise your hands. High. Okay? Okay. First question is for team love. How many DA agreements do we have? Yes. Please tell.
4.
Very good. Shabash. Next question is for team kind. What should we say to others when we make a mistake? Yes.
Sorry.
Wonderful. Next question is for team faith. Whom do you love most?
My mother.
Very good. Shabash. This question is for team grace. When your friend is sad, what should you do? Yes. When your friend is sad, what should you do?
Please help.
Help and
Help.
yes, wonderful. My next question is for again team love. Which week are we celebrating? Yes.
Love and kindness.
No. Question passed to next team kind. Please tell me. Which week are we celebrating?
Week love kindness.
Of loving kindness. Kirpal week of loving kindness. Shabash. Well done. Next question is for team faith. Please look at the board here. Good.
Sorry.
Very good. Team faith. Shabash, team faith. Please repeat again your answer. Which good habit is shown in this picture?
Sorry.
Very good.
Repeat again, beta.
Sorry.
Very good. Well done. Next question is for team grace. I say dash when I want something. Who will give the answer? I say dash when I want something. Yes.
Kindness.
No. This same question will pass to next team. Team love. Can you give the answer? Yes. I say dash when I want something.
Please.
Wonderful. Clapping for team love. When your friend is sad, what will you do? This question is for team kind. When your friend is sad, what will you do? Yes, Anaira.
Help and help.
Wonderful. Clapping for team kind. My next question goes to team faith. Spelling of love.
Love.
Repeat again and speak please loudly.
I love.
Wonderful. Next question is for team grace. Spelling of kind.
K-I-N-T.
Very good. Clapping for team grace. Next question is for team love. How should we treat animals? Yes.
Kindly.
Wonderful.
kindly.
No. This sign language. Kind to.
All.
Wonderful. Then my next question is for Team Faith. Do you like to share and care for others? Do you like to share and care for others? Yes or no?
Yes.
Wonderful. Shabash. My next question is for Team Grace. How do we feel when we help others? Yes.
We feel happy.
Wonderful. My next question goes to Team Love. Do you love your teacher? Yes.
Yes.
Do you love your teacher? Very good. Okay, dear students, look at the screen here and please tell me which DA agreement is shown in this picture. This question is for Team Kind. Beta, this question is for Team Kind. Now, can you please tell me which DA agreement is shown in this picture?
Be safe.
Stand up, Beta. Now,
Not be safe.
very good. Clapping for Team Kind. My next question is for Team Faith. Which DA agreement is shown in this picture? Who will tell?
Dedicated to truth.
Dedicated to
Truth.
truth. Wonderful. Clapping for Team Faith. This question is for Team Grace. Can you tell me which DA agreement is shown in this picture? Yes, Ratan? Ratan?
Be respectful.
Very good. Be respectful. Clapping for yourself. Wonderful job. Congratulations, dear students. You all are winners. This is small token of love for everyone. Clapping for yourself. Thank you, ma'am. You're most welcome. Thank you, madam. You're most welcome.
Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy, Darshan Academy.